guys, what's going on, and welcome back to the channel. Well, it's been long enough. I'm going to go ahead and reveal what company I've decided to go with as far as my 68 build, small build. 68s are extremely expensive to build. You guys know we've been working on 4th gen. I had to pull it to do the remain seal. While I have it out, I want to take care of a couple of the most expensive portions of the transmission while I have it out. And the company I've decided to go with is RevMax. They seem to be probably the leader online when it comes to 68s and 68 builds. Like I said, 68s are extremely expensive to build, and right now finances and time just don't allow me to take care of that. So I'm going to go ahead and take care of a couple of things. Like I said, they have a new product coming that's actually going to be pretty cool. I'm very excited to be able to do this for them as a first, and also show you guys this product is going to be coming to the market for you guys, the end user, to be able to do. Along with that, we have a couple of items from Transgo here. These are the solenoid switch valve pistons. They offer both sizes, the 420 and the 453. You do have to measure to see which size you have before you order these. What these are your solenoid switch valve, and they are also a reamer, self-centering, so you guys can take care of that issue yourselves. So you got your solenoid switch valve in there, you got some spacers, and then you have a spring, and then this kit is also going to come with a self-centering reamer to be able to ream that switch valve out of the valve body. So this is one of the things I'm going to be doing, and then probably starting either later today or tomorrow. I'll have them videos posted for you as far as doing this Transgo kit and also the rest of the RevMax parts. We've used Transgo before on a couple 47 builds or a 47 build. They are a very, very good company, and they have some phenomenal products. Also from RevMax, we did pick up a new electronics. These are a Dodge Mopar tested reman solenoid pack. So we're going to be doing a brand new solenoid pack in it. And then while I have it apart, I am also going to upgrade and do a new flywheel flex plate while I have it off. This had to come off anyway, and I thought it was a good time to go ahead and take care of this and put a new flex plate in. This is a big upgrade from the factory, especially around your ring gear here. On that one, it's just small spot welds, maybe an inch all the way around it. On this one here, it's a fully welded billet flex plate. So we're going to be taking care of this as well. This is also from RevMax. So you guys know that RevMax for a while now has offered their valve bodies as a whole, no kits, when there's other companies out there that you are able to buy kits from and build your own valve body if you have the ability at home. RevMax is about to change that with their own build kit. Within that build kit, you're going to get your accumulator plate. It's going to be thicker. You will have to drill another hole and tap it in your valve body. You're going to get some random seals for valve body to transmission to take care of all of those. I did opt for the filter bung as well for the screw-on filter. Get rid of that plastic one and go with the steel one. Also in the kit is going to come their accumulator pistons and seals. The nice thing I like about their accumulator pistons, they are a tapered seal. A lot of the other companies I saw out there use a rubber O-ring, and you have to put a clamp around them or put like a seal roller around them with a hose clamp and seat those in there before you can push them into the valve body itself. Requires some transmission paste. With their product, all you need to lube it up, put it together, is just a little bit of transmission fluid, which I thought was a lot better than having to use the transmission paste and seat those O-rings on the accumulator pistons. I thought that was a pretty nice twist. You will also receive a bonded separator plate, which is pretty nice. And then we'll have in the directions right there If you're non-tuned, it'll show you where to drill your holes if need be. Like I said, that's for non-tuned applications. And then also in the kit is a billet channel plate, milled and ready to go. So this is going to be RevMax's kit, and it also comes with a block off screw if you need to use this as well. And this is also going to be for non-tuned transmissions. So this is RevMax's version of their own valve body. You notice that the accumulator plate is black. That's just so they can distinguish if it's a DIY kit or if it's their own house-built valve body. But everything that you guys receive in this kit is going to be identical to what you're going to receive if you purchase their fully manufactured valve body. These will be available in the next few weeks to a month whenever they get all the packaging around. It'll be presented to you in a nice box. It'll be all laid out, what to do, the directions in each individual section. It's pretty cool. I'm pretty excited to be able to do this. I've done a couple of 47 valve bodies and a 48 valve body. So I was pretty stoked to be able to do a 68 valve body. To me, they seem like they're going to be a lot simpler to do than the 47s and 48s, where you have all your layers as far as your channel plates, your separator plates. To me, this looks like the 68 is 100% easier than what one of those valve bodies will be. So like I said, in the next coming days, probably start either later today or tomorrow, I'm going to be doing this 68 build, or valve body build. And yeah, I'm pretty stoked to be able to do this. All right, the last piece of the puzzle is going to be their triple disc converter. I'm going to be doing this as well. This is a stock stall, but I wanted to take care of, like I said, a lot of the expensive parts of this build, and possibly next winter, tear the whole transmission down and completely build it to hold their 850 horsepower platform. So yeah, stoked to say the least to be able to build this 68 valve body. Thank you to RevMax for allowing me to be the first person to be able to do this. So it's a pretty cool honor to be able to promote this product for them. I guess with that, that's pretty much all I have. Kind of a tool video per se. You are going to be using Transgo's solenoid switch valve reamer kit right there. So yeah, it's a tool video. But anyway, nevertheless, stoked. Stay tuned. Going to be taking care of this, probably have this video uploaded. Maybe portions of it tomorrow. Try to do my best. So if you guys don't mind, hit that like button, give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you have not already done so, and we'll see you guys in the next one.